This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Upi Yobin, Unong Yasad An Kaying Kashmir Meghalaya, Ubayasad Nagaliang Meghalaya, Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association, Ulapentip Ba Hagajing Snap Halor Kamukadama, Bersha, Yakajing Tumu Pynkynriah Yaki Hawkers, Na Khyndailad Hagalai Tarik Unaitung Arajat Arpusan, Uloong Ba Kaying Kashari Badan Buram, Thung, the Special Officer, Ban Pule Bniah Yakajing Kam Kasorkar, Batka Association Kumju. Uloong baka association ka shim baka jing temu Pynkynriah yaki hawkers na Khyndailad sa parking lot ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority kalong kababean baka baday ka baklemiyat kat kum kikindon kat ba nakaliang ka sorkar pat ka pinksan baka penbiang nakabenta ban Pynkynriah yaki hawkers.
Yes, the Meghalaya Progressive Hawkers Union have moved the division bench of the Honorable High Court in a pending PIL matter, because if you see that the past 3 days there was an eviction happening, and then the manner in which it was happening, we thought that it's against the sense the right to protection and the livelihood of the Hawkers Act, and the Hawkers Union have been raising objections also, saying that that your system of giving the vending license, which we call it VOC, is also not correct, not in place. So these are the things that, and in the process was going on, claims and objections are places are going on. The authorities have been submitting reports after reports to the court, which we felt that it is just misleading the court. So that is the reason why we have moved by interlocutory applications, requesting the court, complaining to the court, look, your orders has been misread, misinterpreted, and in the garb of this, they have been conducting an eviction. In the garb of checking the licenses, that we conducting evictions and so on and so forth. And all these allegations are denied by the government through the Advocate General in Toto. And the court have directed today appointed a special officer, senior counsel of this Honorable High Court. Now, the senior of the special officer will give its report, claims, counterclaims, licenses, not licenses, the vending areas, all this. The special officers, the special officer will be submitting the reports to the court. So this is what some substance happened in the court today. This is returnable in the first week of August. Nothing has happened in the sense that very substantial happened, as I just said, that the court has appointed a special officer who is also a very reputed member of the Bar Association and also senior designate of the High Court itself. I think the next the court before the next date of hearing it is fixed, but I can't recollect the date exactly, but it's somewhere in the month of August, first week of August probably. The court has not given as such. Now it is the ball of the special officer first, and then the court made it very clear also that those who have a vending license can continue. And I'm yet to meet with the members of the association. We'll analyze, we'll examine the order. As I just came out from the court, so as of now, it's really difficult for me to say anything. Also, comment on the order, also directions. Also, I need to sit with my clients. Per se, there is no as such. There is no stay. The court category did not say, but the fact that but the first identifying things has to be done, because the court says that there are around 300 licenses will be given. Those who have been left out can apply in accordance with law, and the authority will consider the application in accordance with law. So these are the things happened. So no specific order as to hawkers can continue or you cannot continue, or the continued drive will happen or not drive will happen. Because I said specifically, because it's not a shifting. I said it's an eviction. So if it's an eviction, then it is very illegal, because the law, under the protection law, does not give for eviction. You have to protect this. Yes, relocations, but these are the very different issues, because if I talk all this thing, then a TVC, then even the guidelines itself, there's a flaws in the guidelines itself, but still then we have overlooked all this because we wanted to cooperate. We want to have a participatory approach with the government, but then since allegations of the union is that as as briefed to me that even the licenses is not happening in accordance with law. There is a favoritism. There's not fairness in the distribution itself. So this is what I have been briefed with. So much highlight can be given to you by the members of the association who are there in the ground.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai Khyndailad bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.